What's up, y'all? You already know who it is and you know what it is. We got another how-to. Today we are going to show you how to take the front speakers and the rear speakers out of this 2012 Ford F-250 Super Duty. So with the fronts, what you want to do is come down here first and pop this little doohickey off. And I'm using a 7mm socket. Might be 9/32 because you know how Ford do. So we got two of those right there. Gonna go ahead and take those out. And we also want to come down here and we got boom, one right there, boom on the bottom, one right there. All right, now next thing you want to do is come right here, and I got my little panel removal tool, and we're going to just kind of pop that part off, slide that back. We have a T20 Torx on the inside, so I got my T20. Alright. Dang, just lost a screw and everything. So that took that off. Now we have this piece right here. Just held in by some clips. That's gonna come right off. And now we should be able to just lift up on the whole panel. Yep, and that's how that comes off. Alright, change bits. 4/7s. Take that off. Disconnect the harness. Boom. So that's one speaker down. Now let's go to the rear. So first thing we want to do is take these two Phillips out of this part on the window. So this part will still actually be stuck to the window, and we're just gonna take these out and we're just gonna release it. And it's gonna look something like that. So next thing we want to do is come back here to this other side of the panel on the door, and there is a little clip that slides in and out on that little ridge. We just want to pop that cover off. That way we take out that T50 Torx. And then we want to come down here to the bottom, take our same panel removal tool and pop that off, and we'll take out another T50 Torx. So go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so now that we're done with that, all we're going to do right now is pop this panel off right here. Just gonna get that off. Once we take that off, it's gonna relieve 1, 2, and 3 7mm plus a push pin. So let's see if I can. Just use this. Just some light pressure to push the pin in. You don't want to go too far. There we go. Just enough to release it and take it out. And then this right here should just lift up. And now we have our second speaker. So everything that I'm doing on the driver's side, it's going to be the exact same movement or the exact same process for the passenger side. So if I showed you how to do the front and rear on one, I showed you how to do it on the other one, because it's the exact same thing. So yeah, these are the speaker harnesses that I was telling y'all about. These things make your install life so much more easier, dude. I'm talking about unplug the factory, plug this one back in. The white is positive, the black is negative. Plug it into your speaker, and I'm done. I'm done. Alright, so we got Kenwoods in the front, we got Kenwoods in the back. Now it's time to put these panels back on. And that's it, put back together. Everything looking good. If you guys found any value in this video, please hit that like button, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Till next time, JP signing out, baby.